Hello everyone and welcome to the fourth episode of the 101 Scanlation tutorial series. Took me a while to get back but finally I am here. In this video we will talk about fonts that I use and where to find them. So, let's jump in. Now if you Google search for comics fonts, you'll stumble upon a lot of them. But you don't have to use them all. Just pick up 2 or 3 of them and you're good to go. However, there's this thing called readability which is really important. Pick only those fonts which are easier to read. Anyways, here's a list of fonts that I would recommend you to use. You can check the description to get the download links. So far I've only talked about the general fonts, like fonts you use in a text box. But we also use fonts in SFX or special effects which basically stimulate the imagined events in a story or virtual world. We will talk more about SFX in the next episode. For now let's look for some sites which are great for getting free fonts. First in our list is DaFont, an awesome site with more than 60,000 fonts to choose from, easy to download and have everything from old school to pixel fonts. Next in the list is Font Squirrel. Similar to the previous site, this one also has a great collection of fonts. And it's really easy to download. Third we have 1001 Free Fonts. This one also has a great collection of fonts and different categories to choose from. Of course, there's tons of other sites to find fonts. But everything in this list is something that I know and personally use and that's what I am sharing with you all. Anyways, this was a really short video, wasn't really much to talk about. Next episode we will talk about how to typeset, so stay tuned. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. I'll be uploading a lot of awesome contents real soon.